Hey, art friends, we got another huge surprise from who? Mattel. So we're pretty sure it's a toy, right? Mm-hmm. And we want to do a giveaway. We're not going to keep the toy. We're going to unbox it in just a second, but we want to give it away to our art friends, right?
Yes.
So be sure to stay till the very end because we're going to give you instructions on how you can win this big surprise. Look how huge. This is one of the biggest boxes we've ever gotten.
That's huge.
And do you want to show our art friends what's inside?
Yes.
Oh, it's the other side. We got to flip it around. Oh, there we go. All right. You ready to see what's inside?
Yes.
Are you sure you want to show our art friends? Are you sure you want to give it away? Or do you want to keep it? Okay, we have to figure out a way that we can show our friends the inside. So let's turn around this way. Oh.
Don't jam it in the camera.
All right. Okay, lift up the lid. Oh, look at the inside of the box.
It's crazy.
Isn't that so cool?
Yeah.
What is all this stuff?
Polly Pocket.
It's a lot of Polly Pocket. Let's get some of this stuff out of here so that our friends can see it a little better.
Okay.
Okay. These are the 3 things that we got inside of that huge box from Mattel. Now, we got 2 small ones. Mm-hmm. Show our friends what this one is.
So this one is a camping locket, and it has like a tent and a campfire.
And then what's this one?
This one's a like karaoke queen one.
Yeah, her name's, let's see, Karaoke Queen Shawnee.
Shawnee.
I think that's her name. I like her little glasses, and she's even got a microphone. Isn't that cool?
It's so little.
It's so little. Now, this is a different size Polly Pocket, right? This is kind of a bigger version. Now, let's put these off to the side and show our friends the big one.
Yes.
Now, we could barely fit it into our camera, but what is the coolest thing about this that we saw?
So you can see hers. She's really small over there.
Yeah, and then she can magically do what? Transform into the big one.
Yes.
That's so cool how they did that. Transform her back. And then she's right here. She's on the bookshelf. And then do it one more time. She's going to come out of this small little, yes. Look, she goes into the closet and then she transforms into a little one.
Yeah. And
then she can transform back. This really is one of the coolest toys I've seen, even though it's, I think, supposed to be for girls. Mm-hmm. I like it too. We're going to give these to one lucky art friend. And how can they enter to win the giveaway?
You draw a Polly Pocket.
Draw a picture of Polly Pocket. Have we done a lesson of Polly Pocket?
Yes.
Yes, we have. And we'll leave a link below this video where you can check out the lesson so you can follow along with us. Then parents, take a photo of your child's artwork and post it to Instagram. And then when you post it, be sure to use 2 tags. Hashtag
AFKH Polly Pocket.
AFKH Polly Pocket, and also tag us, which is
Art for Kids Hub.
Yes, at Art for Kids Hub. That'll notify us and let us know that you posted something. Then we're gonna pick one lucky art friend to give this away. When are we gonna announce it? Wednesday, December 12th. So be sure to get your entries in by December 11th. That way we can pick the lucky art friend.
Yes.
And we want to thank Mattel one last time for sending us these really cool toys. We can't wait to give it away. We'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.